So this is fun. Here we are in Manassas, Virginia, doing a smoke test on a commercial dental office that has been having a stinker of a time for the past few months. I mean, quite literally, you walk into that office and it's like walking into a bathroom that was just used. So anyways, we went ahead and utilized our smoke test odor detection system to go ahead and find the issue. Let me show you how that went. Go ahead and turn off your smoke so we can vent it. All right, have to clear up the space. We got an open pipe back here. Okay. That is open. And that's definitely going to create a stinker, huh? All right, so, well, we created a window and hoping that we can salvage the counter, but now we have to get back there. What do you propose, a hose in the corner so we can drop a cap?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put another hole in the corner. Voila. All right, let's check out this hole. Oh, look at you. Hi. Just completely snuck back there. So this actually is a sewer trap. It looks like it belonged to a sink at one point in time, but since it hasn't been kept primed, it dried up and allowed open access for sewer gases to exit. So what we're going to do, since it's not in use, we're just going to cap it. We won't remove the trap. We're just going to cap it right there so that if it's to be used in the future, it can. But for now, goes that. Is it capped?
Yeah, it's capped.
Nice. All right, here we go again. Anything?
Honestly, nothing.
Oh, dry, bone dry. Sweet. Well, that was fun. And that's how we located a very difficult and sneaky pipe hiding behind a compressor under a shelf in a room that's used for storage, filled with boxes all the way up to the T. And that pipe was just in the right corner in the hardest place to find. Would have never been able to be found if it wasn't for the smoke test in an efficient manner without tearing the whole place upside down. So anyways, that's what you got. And that is the value of the Freedom Plumbers smoke test odor detection system. Doing it the Freedom way. If you have any issues with odors, weird leaks, flies showing up out of nowhere, give us a call or email or text or even sign up on the website. We do free second opinions. So call 703-895-4109. Email us at scheduling@freedomplumbers.com, or you can schedule on the website at www.freedomplumbers.com. We'll catch you on the next one.